Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile using the Gyroscope feature. Gyroscope allows you to aim by physically tilting your phone, offering a new level of precision. This can give you a significant advantage, especially for making those small, crucial adjustments during intense firefights. It's an easy method to master with a little practice, and it truly elevates your gameplay experience. To get started, first open your game and head into the Settings menu. Once there, you'll want to select the Basic tab. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the Gyroscope option. Make sure to toggle this on. You can choose between Always On for constant aiming control or Scope only if you prefer it just for scoped weapons. Experiment to see what feels best for you. Next, let's fine-tune your gyroscope sensitivity. Head over to the Sensitivity tab in your settings. Here, you'll find a specific section for gyroscope sensitivity. I recommend starting with values somewhere between 120 and 150 for a balanced feel. Play around with these numbers in the training range until your aiming feels smooth and perfectly responsive to your movements. This step is crucial for comfort. Finally, practice is key to mastering gyroscope aiming. Spend some time in the training range or playing against AI bots to get accustomed to the new control scheme. Focus on making smooth, deliberate movements with your phone. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase your sensitivity for quicker reactions. With consistent practice, you'll notice a significant improvement in your aiming precision and overall gameplay in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.